Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to a WIP Wednesday. WIPs, WIPs, WIPs. WIP stands for Work in Progress, if you don't know. And if you are just popping by for the first time, my name is Krista and this is The Secret Yarnery. This channel is all about crochet and crochet related goodness. There's Match It Monday, Tip Tuesday, WIP Wednesday, something cool on Thursdays, usually a tutorial, I'm hoping. Finished Object Friday, shout out Saturday, and something also cool on Sunday. So there's something always going on, and love to have you join our community. If any of that is of interest to you, consider hitting the subscribe button down below and the notification bell beside that. Love to have you join us. So WIPs. First one is this fabulous Peru Alpaca from Ice Yarns. I'll put a link for this in the description box below if you want to check out the fabulous colors it comes in. I just love this soft green. So turning this into a cowl, I made a capelet. I think I was wearing it for the unboxing yesterday. If you want to go pop onto that video and check it out, I'll put it in the cards up above. Just roll your cursor over your screen. I think it's on this side. There'll be a little exclamation mark. Click on your exclamation mark and other options will pop up, including the unboxing from yesterday when you will see me wearing the capelet I made from this yarn. So I'm filming a cowl. So same kind of thing, but just smaller. A little tube instead of a big tube. So that is one of my WIPs. 7mm hook, goes really fast. Love that one. Next. This I think is from the same yarn haul. Who remembers this fabulousness? So pretty, right? This is Milano Wool. I'll put a link for this in the description box below as well. It's so pretty. So I wanted to do something with that. I'm using an 8mm hook with that yarn. And I want to do, my idea is to do kind of like one pack projects. So I shop at Ice Yarns. So just things we can make with one pack of yarn. So it's usually 400 grams. Although sometimes it's 300. And so I'm just making this cute little shawl. I just want it to be enough to use up all the yarn. So I'm making kind of like a long and skinnier scarf with treble crochets so it goes really quick. I don't know if you can see the sparkle in there, but this yarn is so pretty. It would be lovely for anything for a kid. Pillows for a kid. Oh, it's just like, it's really great. It's quite soft. I'll put a link for this also in the description box, and it's also from the unboxing that is in the cards. So this is 1.5 balls so far. There's 45 meters of yarn per ball, so that's not much yarn, which is why I want to do just like a cute little scarf. Maybe you can wrap it around twice. Something cute hanging, cute little border when I get to it. I'm excited. So that is one little WIP I'm working on. Just something to jazz up an outfit. And the good thing about this yarn, there's no shedding. It doesn't shed, so you can totally wear this with like something black. Wouldn't that be so smart? Little black outfit, little cute, colorful shawl or scarf. Really cute. And it goes really fast because look at all that space. You're just like jumping and it goes really quick. So that is a good thing I'm working on. And I couldn't stop myself. I couldn't do it. So what I want to do, what hit me this morning in a very urgent, emergency fashion. See my little mushroom tree? It's actually not a mushroom tree. It's my cactus with my WIP on top. I'll show it to you. What? No, check this out. Look, my daughter calls it a bib. I love it. You just want to you want to just like pet yourself. It's really, really soft. Not scratchy. And yes, it's metallic. What's it gonna be? It's a circle, let me just tell you. This is one ball of eyelash dazzle worked into a circle, like a granny square circle. I want to make round cushions for my sofa to match my polka dots. Get it? So there's going to be like a hot pink polka dot and a green polka dot and a gold polka dot, right? With some sort of trim of a different color. So if it's going to be hot pink, maybe I'll put like the green trim on it. Or if it's green, maybe I'll put the gold trim on it. So I'll have 3 polka dot cushions on my sofa. That's my tail from where I started. Isn't it so great? So you know you cannot see your stitches. That's why I'm doing a granny square style. So when I'm working it, I poke my fingers in and I hold it open. See how I hold it open with my thumb? And then I crochet right where my thumb is. And then wiggle over to find the next spot, hold it open again, and make my next shell. So I'm doing that. This is 1 ball, but I think it's still too small. So I'm going to do like 1.5 balls, just so it's bigger. Because when you stuff it, it's also going to shrink in size a little bit, right? So 1.5 balls, so 3 balls of yarn per cushion, which leaves 1 ball left to top Christmas stockings and do tree skirt and on my ornaments and stuff. So I need ordering more because this yarn is everything. It is so great. I was going to do like reversible ones, like maybe pink on one side, green on the other. So maybe you could like flip them around, maybe just have pink and gold one time or green and pink, whatever you wanted, because you would have 2 pillows of each color. Like if you flip them both the one way. But I also think I might just do pink with pink and green with green and gold with gold. What would you do for that? Would you make them like 2 different colors so you can reverse, or would you make them each one particular color? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. Or maybe I'll put a poll up in the cards. You can also tell me there. Cards. Because that's one thing. So all 3 colors of yarn that I have now, all these colors would be on every pillow, right? So that could be front and back, and this would be trim, or front and back trim, or front and back trim. You know what I mean? It'd be really cute, right? Just to have them lined up like little candies on my sofa. Also was thinking, although I haven't got that far, to make actual like candy cushions. So you know those candies where they have the wrapper on each end and you can pull them and the wrapper undoes and you take the candy from the center. So do like a shape, rectangle probably, and stitch it together into a cylinder of some sort, and then the little candy end in the other color. So one end, maybe I can do it with this, I don't know. Let me try to see. Okay, that's not so great. But have the center like nicely wrapped, and then and one on the end like big. Or maybe I should do it the other way around. What about like this? Right? So you have your candy in the middle, and then you have your pull thing at the end. I don't know if I'd look like a candy or not, but it was in my head because it's so candy-ish. I love it. So that is what I'm actually working on. I did this morning, super quick. I'll work on the pattern. I'm writing it down what I'm up to so I can turn it into a written pattern when I figure out how big it needs to be. This is 10 rows so far. And I can see these little holes in there, like if you hold it up to the light. But I think when you put it on a cushion, because of the eyelash, you won't see through that it's a granny square. And so much easier to work with eyelash. So that is my WIP. What's on your hook? Love to know all about it in the comments below, and let me know what you think about how I should be working on those cushions. So have a super great day. We'll see you in the next video, and stay hooked. Hi. How many kids do I have outside? 3 so far. Where's the 4th? Hi, this is Chris.